What's going on, guys? Johnny with Blaze of Grass Lawn Care. I am at my local John Deere dealer, and guess what? I have a nice new surprise for you guys. I have a new sponsor, John Deere, and I'm going to be taking this equipment out and showing you guys the quality of cut and the great reputation that John Deere has. So thank you, John Deere, for giving me the opportunity to partner up with you guys. So without further ado, I got my man Dan, which is going to be walking us around and just kind of giving us a look at this John Deere Q820M stand-on lawnmower.
Hi, I'm Dan here at Blanchard Equipment, Pooler, Georgia, and I'm going to be going over the Q820M with you guys. We might as well start right here in the front. It's got tubeless tires, caster wheels in the front. We have our 7-iron deck. This is 7-gauge steel. It's a stamped deck. The reason we do that is it actually creates better airflow under the deck and doesn't allow spots to build up underneath. You'll see the reinforcement bar across the front in case you hit anything like a stump. And it is powered by our 23.5 horsepower Kawasaki motor. This is a vertical shaft engine. We use this engine so it creates better transfer of power from the engine to the transmission and deck. All your service points are very easy to get to on this machine. You'll notice your oil check, filter, and drain tube is all right here in the front. Air filter, easy access. If you come around to the back, you'll see our 12 tires on this machine. A lot of commercial guys like these so they don't have to worry about having flats. This machine does have 2 fuel tanks, one on either side. It does have a removable pad. You can pick this pad right up off, but it gives you easy access to your transmission reservoir, battery. This panel does flop down, and this one pulls off, so you can have easy access to the transmission. As far as the operator station goes, you have a digital readout on the machine. Tells you your RPMs, your battery voltage, hours, and fuel level. This machine does have an easy adjustment for the deck mow height. It's just a pin over here on this side of the machine that you can pick up 2 1/4 inches, set it down, and when you let the deck down, it'll be cutting at that height.
Okay. Can you bring the deck down so they can see how it goes up and down? And bring it back up again for me. Awesome. And this one I have a mulching kit on it, correct?
Yep. This deck is equipped with a mulch kit. You'll see under the flap here, the block-off plate. The unique thing about this mulch kit on this commercial mower is it does have baffles underneath that separate each blade from each other. So unlike some of the other brands where it still shoves all the grass to one side, this takes each blade individually and mulches that particular section and drives that back into the ground. This machine does have a 2-year warranty on it. On this side, you also see it has a debris bag, so in case you got some debris on the lawns. And it does have a cast iron operator platform. You stand on it. It does have a lot of nice spring to it for a rough ride. And it does fold up out of place if you'd like to walk behind the machine. Alright, this unit is also equipped with an easy access to get to the belt. So you just flop this cover open. And also, a lot of times, debris will build up underneath the guards. You can just pop these guards up, and you just twist them off. And you're able to get all those leaves and grass clippings out of there.